Alright, what's up guys? Hope you guys are doing well today. And thus I decided to just press record since I'm sitting in the trade and whatever happens happens, right? Let me recap real quick. Market open, we sweep London lows, full reversal, creating a 1 minute bullish for value gap. We have obvious draws, which is London highs that are not taken yet. In my time to trade, we went down, filled this fair value gap, nice reaction to the upside. Now the main thing is we just have to inverse this fair value gap or disrespect this fair value gap. Once disrespected, price should just start going back up all the way to TP, right? So yeah, that's the idea right there. And as of right now, my biggest profit was 350, I think. So hopefully we just go straight to TP because I'm still in intraday buffer drawdown. So if I get cooked, so let's say I lose the trade, it's gonna be the loss plus 300 for my take profits. So yeah. Now I could put my stop loss at this low at 954, but I'll wait for maybe a little bit more confirmation before I do that. Just because obviously if we disrespect this low, price is just gonna go lower, like obviously, so might as well just place my stop loss right there. But yeah, I'll wait to see what's gonna happen. I'm pretty confident as soon as we disrespect this, the the trade's gonna go in my favor. But as of right now, I just have to wait. My entry was at 951, so it's been like 8 minutes. I'm in a trade. Here's the dashboard. Like I'm seeing good reaction. 957 we had a retest of my entry, and yeah, just have to break through this. Yeah, probably if price comes back to this low right there, I'll just close the trade because I just want to see speed and efficiency, and I'm not saying that. So plus this low is should be the lowest point that price goes to, right? Well, we don't have news today, maybe, that's why it's a bit slow, but it is what it is. Yeah, right now we're just sitting and waiting. In 1 minute we'll have 10 a.m. 10 a.m. we could have a pullback into this fair value gap, this bullish fair value gap, so I'll see what's gonna end up happening, or we can actually just start pushing back up and hitting the trades that we need to hit, hitting TP. Like I said, we have a strong zone right there, which is London highs, so I mean today is just, even if we lose, it is a great setup. Look at that full reversal, creating the setup that I like to see, targeting TP, right? Targeting these highs. So everything is there. It's basically a plus setup. All right, I'm gonna go stop loss right there. Like I said, normally I don't do break even or whatever, but when it does make sense, price shouldn't go all the back down, because if it goes back down, the whole idea is scrapped. Plus, it means we're respecting this. Main thing is just we have to invalidate that so I can be pretty confident in my trade. So yeah, I'm just waiting for this to get invalidated. This bearish fair value gap at 950. But yeah, I'm not gonna touch anything. Both sides are getting pretty much respected. This bullish fair value gap, we're retesting it and it's holding. But the same thing goes for this bearish one too. So Yeah, I mean, hopefully I win. I really don't mind losing, but like I said, the take profit, the intraday thingy will eat me alive. As of right now, I think I'm only risking 250 if my stop loss ends up getting hit. So like I said, 300 plus 250, around 500, so not bad. I just needed to push, 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 push. Then I'll have to be careful if we respect those buy side. So I think once we inverse this, I'm Gucci. But yeah, slower trade, normally 5 to 10 minutes I'm already done. But no complaint, right? Like we have a strong push at 10:01, very strong bullish candle, just for it to come all the way down again, That was my trade, if you guys are interested. Reversal aligned with context, bang, 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 bang. Now what should I do? Should I just close, call it a day, whatever? Or let the trade play out and see what's gonna happen? Yeah, I'm just gonna wait with you guys, I guess. Today we are Monday, February 9. That's good push. Come on, I just need better push than that. At least close above this so I can be confident. But I mean, if I have to bet on it, I mean, bullish all the way, honestly. Yes, I'm having multiple retests, but just the whole context. Don't tell me you're going straight down again, please. It's doing this thing, Go on, just have a nice push, close above. $350. This is 500. So half, 250, 350, 400. Okay, beautiful push, beautiful push. It's 10:04 right now. So the highest profit I've seen would be around 450, 500 now. Keep on pushing. We inverse this. Now, if we respect this buy side, I'll have to close. I'm not taking any risk. But if we keep on pushing to these draws, then beautiful trade for today. And you guys will have witnessed live, right? Beautiful. We inverse this gap. We create another bullish gap, so most likely price is going to retrace into it at some point. I'm very tempted to close just because of my intraday thing, man. But I'll just trust the process, whatever. So as of right now, biggest profit 600, 6, 6, 7, 8, 800. I'll remove this bearish one. Okay, very nice push. Biggest profit 700. If I can just get 1k, man, I'll be very happy. Those buy side just got hit. We pushed with speed and efficiency above them. If we can close above them and just keep pushing, then that's the best case scenario. It's actually here. But I'm taking no risk. If I see price slowing down, I'll have to close. I really don't want to risk everything for extra 200 profit. But yeah, keep on pushing, keep on pushing. New candle in 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. We close with speed. I like how we closed. And are we gonna witness full TP in live? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 3/4. Let me see if I can catch it. Nice shit, guys. Nice shit. Trusting the process, trusted everything. You guys seen how I was thinking and everything. Beautiful trade. Guys, oh my god. You guys don't understand how locked in I am right now. Soon, because you guys know I'm Muslim, right? It's Ramadan and I'll be staying at home because I can't do shit, right? I can't eat, I can't do anything, right? So I'll be locked in on with my God and everything, and this means I'll be at home for like, you guys get it, right? And as of right now, take profit, the buffer is met. If I want right now, I can request $40 across 5 accounts, it doesn't matter. Tradeify buffer is met too. But the main thing was take profit. The intraday is gone. Beautiful. Now I'll be at home, locked in, doing nothing, spending nothing. Guys, I'm pretty confident. If I keep going like that, which I will, I'm gonna make 100K a month easily. Think about it. 10 good trades, which previous week I won every single day. Today I won. That's already 6 trades. Let's just say I just won 5, right? That's 57K in payouts in 1 week and a day. I'm just saying. But yeah, beautiful trade today. Very grateful. Thank you guys for watching. You guys seen it live, honestly. Right now I'm locked in. By the end of like halfway to March, hopefully I have 100, 200K plus easily in payouts in the bank if everything goes well. Then genuinely I'm buying some stuff that I need, paying some debts, going on vacation. Easy. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow.